My name is Corbin Matise with the Matise Mortgage Team. I've been self-employed for the past 15 years and I'm a self-employed home buying specialist. So our job is to help you overcome challenges that you might face with self-employed income in the home buying or home financing process. All this lives inside the relationship with a good CPA. So if you have your own CPA, I'd love to meet them. If you need a CPA, I have a long list of people that I could connect you to that we trust and my clients have worked with in the past. The main problem that we run into with a self-employed home buyer is that they are inclined to write off all their income.
A write-off is a business expense used to reduce your taxable income.
Tell the IRS that they don't make any money so that they don't have to pay tax on that income, which is a perfect strategy to do in any other year other than a home buying year. And in a home buying year, we want to pull down as much taxable income as we can, or at least enough to qualify for the property that you're interested in. And then you can go right back to writing everything off after you qualify for your house. So it's those two things. So it's like we need a good CPA and we need to take taxable income in a borrowing year. All right, so I'm going to give you 3 challenges that self-employed home buyers face. Number 1 is that they write off all their income. Number 2 is that they haven't filed their tax returns recently. And then number 3 is that their credit isn't exactly where they want it to be. So problem solution number 1, I write off all my income. So we know that the solution to that is number 1, a good CPA relationship, and number 2, to actually pull down taxable income for this year. Number 2, if I haven't filed tax returns in a while, again, CPA is going to be really important to this process. We'll file those returns. We're going to tell the CPA some of the details about the purchase so that they can do what they need to do during this borrowing year for you. It might mean that you have to pay a little bit of tax, but we can go right back to writing everything off next year. Number 3, my credit is lower, not exactly where I want it to be. That's not a problem at all. Everybody goes through down periods with their credit sometimes. You know, luckily I've been working with people in that regard for the past 15 years, so we can make a game plan on how to get your scores up. 60 to 100 points usually takes 3 months or so. Okay, so again, it's been Corbin Matise with the Matise Mortgage Team. We'll put a link in the description below if you want to go to the website, or you can call or text anytime, 512-487-9286.